guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my 26 weeks pregnancy update. So I'm going to be sharing with you all the fun symptoms and not so fun symptoms and experiences that I went through in my 26th week. So this week has been so much better than 25 weeks. I'll link my 25 weeks update below for you guys, but that week was when I started to deal with a lot of acid reflux and tailbone pain, which I'll kind of update you guys on in a little bit. But this week has been a lot more manageable. I'm a lot more tired, I will say that. But comfort-wise, it was a little tiny bit better than 25 weeks. So first off, acid reflux has been a lot better this week. I don't know what it was in my 25th week, but acid reflux has gotten a lot better. Heartburn has come back, unfortunately. But I think that was because I had too much caffeine. I only have coffee, or I try to only have coffee on the weekends. So Friday, Saturday, Sundays are like my cheat days because I just want to cut back on caffeine. Even though I can have a small cup every day, I try not to until the weekends. So that's like my indulgence for the weekend. I had like 2 cups of it on, when did I have it? Saturday. So Saturday night was like a lot of heartburn. I took like 4 Tums within an hour or 2, and it did help a little bit, but it just felt like fire in my chest. So unfortunately, heartburn has made its fun little return in my life. The other update is my tailbone pain. I think the middle to end of my 25th week and the beginning of my 26th week was when the tailbone pain was really bad, where I just couldn't sit, couldn't get comfortable in bed. The only position that was comfortable for me that I didn't feel pain was laying down on my side. The pain got so bad this week that I just could not handle it anymore. So I tried 2 things which I think really helped, and I told myself that if this didn't work, I would take Tylenol for the pain, and I really wanted to do everything I can naturally before I went and like jumped into medicine. So for this entire pregnancy, I'm about 7 months. I haven't really taken any kind of oral medication that I didn't need to. So I'm really happy about that, and I'm trying to keep that going so that the baby doesn't have to ingest or absorb anything that he doesn't need that might be a little harmful for him. The 2 things I did different this week was that I bought a hot water bottle. I just got it on Amazon, and that thing has been such... I don't know why I didn't own one already, but let me tell you, this thing has really, I feel like, not fixed my pain or fixed the problem, but it's really definitely made it a lot better. Like right now I'm sitting in an acrylic chair and it's not painful, it's not hurting, which is so relieving, and just it's so nice to have a good day after like a week and a half of constant pain and pressure. So I would just apply the heat when I go to bed. I'll just lay on my side and have like the heat there, or if I'm on the couch, I'll put it behind me and I'll lean back, and it just feels so good. My back pain has gotten a lot better. The tailbone pain has gotten so much better. Again, I can sit up right now in a hard chair and not be in pain, which is like a 180 from just even 3 days ago. It was so bad. So the hot water bottle thing has been like a game changer, like a lifesaver, literally. And the other thing that I got on Amazon is a donut pillow. Yes, for like if you have spinal surgery or you know your bottom hurts. But because I sit in a chair and work on a computer for 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, I really needed something to take the pressure off my tailbone. So before I got the pillow, I was sitting on 2 really thick, dense, fluffy blankets. And it did help in the beginning, but even sitting on that, which imagine just sitting on the most comfortable, lightest cloud and it's still hurting your back and your tailbone. Even that wasn't like doing it for me. But I really think that helps because honestly, it's a circle in the middle of the pillow, and that's where your tailbone and your butt goes. So there's like no pressure that I'm putting on it while I'm sitting, and I think that really has helped a lot as well. But I feel like those 2 things together has saved my back. I am not kidding when I say that it was just so painful to just walk, sit, lay. Like I couldn't do anything without that area hurting. It was getting kind of scary where I thought like, shit, if I get any bigger and heavier, is this problem gonna get worse where I can't move, I can't walk, I can't work? So I'm so so happy and relieved that the pain is basically like at a 2 right now compared to a 9 or a 10. I can deal with a 2, I can deal with a 3 to 5, but wow, anything above an 8 or 9 was like, I couldn't live my life comfortably. So those are the two things. If you have the same issues or if you just have a lot of muscle ache or back aches, I would highly recommend a hot water bottle. They're so cheap. I think I got mine for 12, maybe like 15-ish dollars, but you just fill it up with hot water. Mine comes with like a little sweater material, which kind of keeps you from burning yourself. But I love just laying back on my couch and having that on my lower back and just letting it like kind of soften up my muscle and relieve the achiness and just kind of relaxes everything. It's been amazing. So if you have any kind of pain like that, I would just spend like $15 on a hot water bottle and see if that helps before you do anything else, because obviously right now it's a lot harder to stretch my back. I can't really like, I used to love cracking my back before I got pregnant, but now like I can twist and turn in every direction and nothing cracks. So I just feel like my back is really, really tight and tense and just, it's terrible. So the hot water definitely helps. So 2 new symptoms this week as well. One is that I cannot stay asleep. I go to bed around like 10 to 11. I try to get to bed early because I have to wake up early for work. And I sleep for about 2 to 3 hours, but I wake up at 1:30, 2:30. For no apparent reason, I don't have to pee in the middle of the night just yet. Some women who are a little bit further along have to get up 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times a night to go pee. But thank God I'm not at that stage yet, so I can basically sleep through the night without having to pee. But the problem is I'm not sleeping through the night. So I wake up at like 1:30 to 4:30, that's like the witching hour, and I just stay up. Like I cannot fall back asleep. So it's just, I don't know, it's been really weird. It's been really annoying, and it happens a lot. Like if I can fall back asleep in like half an hour after I wake up, I'll wake up again like an hour or 2 later and the same thing. It's just a vicious cycle of sleeping for a few hours, waking up for like 30 minutes to an hour and a half, falling back asleep, and then waking up again. And it's really annoying, especially if you have to get up early for work. And the other symptom that I wrote down is that my hands have now gotten so puffy. I haven't been able to wear my engagement ring in about 2 or 3 weeks now, but I have been able to still wear my wedding bands because it's just a thin band, so I felt like it had more give to it. But this week, like both rings did not fit me anymore. I'm actually wearing a Swarovski like thin band that I got years ago that never fits me before, especially on this finger. I usually wear it on this finger, and this should tell you how like big my fingers have gotten, because I used to wear this ring so comfortably on my index finger and I still had some wiggle room, but now it fits me perfectly on my ring finger. So I think I went up like at least 2.5 sizes. So I've been wearing this so that I still have something on my hands, because it just feels weird not to have a ring when I'm out. My hands have gotten so puffy this week. It's so funny just to look down and see like little sausage fingers. But my hand and my forearm is still hurting, and my carpal tunnel has not gone away, unfortunately. So those were all the symptoms in my 26 weeks. It wasn't that bad besides the tailbone pain, but again, that went away. So I just feel a lot more comfortable and a lot more myself now. Walking doesn't hurt anymore, which is amazing. I'm glad it's gotten better so that I don't have to be on bed rest or take any kind of medication. But other than that, those were the only 3 symptoms that I really had. I'll update you guys on the baby, like his size and everything. So I'm 26 weeks and 5 days. He's 14 inches and about 2 pounds, and he's the size of an acorn squash. Last week he was an eggplant, so I feel like squashes get pretty big. I thought about doing like a baby haul after I get everything in and purchased. So if you want me to do a baby haul for stuff that the baby will be using, or that's going in his nursery, or what we're using in our bedroom and stuff while he sleeps with us for the first, I don't know, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, let me know and I will definitely put that on my list to film for you guys. But that is it for this video, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. And if you're pregnant around the same time as I am, or just pregnant in general, share your symptoms and your experiences below. I would love to hear from you guys. Oh, before I go, let me show you my bump shot. I didn't show it in my 25 weeks because I was already 26 weeks while I was filming it. So my sweater is a little bit see-through. It's so hot underneath all these lights that I could not bear wearing a tank top underneath like I normally would, but I do have on a tan bra, so I'm not like completely uncovered up here. So this is what the belly looks like. I'm actually just wearing my maternity shorts that I got on Amazon. I literally have these shorts in, I think, 2 colors, and I have 5 pairs in total. I basically live in these shorts. They're so comfortable and stretchy, so they'll grow with me throughout the pregnancy. So this is baby boy. He's getting so big. I don't think I've ever shown the front of my belly yet. This is what he's looking like. Whew, I am out of breath. He is settling in real low down here, so it's a lot of pressure down there right now. I feel like every shirt I wear these days is a crop top. So I literally have to wear like high-waisted shorts, high-waisted leggings, but that's my life. So there you go, guys. There's my bump shot.